Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Code Organization and Structure Best Practices in Node.js, a diginode approach. This tutorial delves into code organization and structure best practices in Node.js, focusing on a practical diginode approach that combines modularity, separation of concerns, and scalability. We'll cover everything from project layout to dependency management and discuss the rationale behind each decision. What is diginode? The term diginode is a metaphor I'm using to represent a well-structured Node.js application that mimics the interconnectedness and specialized functions within a digital network. Each node, module or component, has a clear purpose, a defined interface, and communicates effectively with other nodes. This approach emphasizes modularity, breaking down the application into small, reusable, and independent modules. Separation of concerns, SOC, ensuring each module has a single, well-defined responsibility. Loose coupling, minimizing dependencies between modules to allow for easier modification and testing. Scalability, designing the application in a way that allows it to grow and adapt as requirements evolve. Testability, writing code that is easy to test in isolation. Maintainability, creating code that is easy to understand, modify, and debug. 1. Project structure, the diginode network layout. A well-organized project structure is the foundation of a maintainable application. Here's a suggested layout for a medium to large-sized Node.js project following the diginode principles. Explanation *.env stores environment-specific variables, API keys, database credentials. Never commit this file to version control. Use a library like .env to load these variables into process.env. *.gitineary specifies files and directories that should be ignored by Git, example node_modules.env. *readme.md provides an overview of the project, instructions for installation, and other relevant information. Package.json defines project metadata, dependencies, and scripts, example start, test, lint. Config.json configuration file for TypeScript compiler, if using TypeScript. *src contains all the application's source code. *config holds configuration files for various aspects of the application. *models defines data models, often using an ORM, object relational mapper, like SQLize or Mongoose. *controllers handle incoming requests, orchestrate business logic through services, and send responses. Services contain the core business logic of the application. They perform the actual operations based on data from models and parameters from controllers. Middleware functions that run before or after a request is processed, handling tasks like authentication, logging, and request validation. Routes define the API endpoints and map them to specific controller functions. Utils reusable utility functions that don't belong to a specific domain. App.js configures the Express application, or other framework. Defines middleware, sets up routes, and handles global error handling. Server.js starts the server and listens for incoming connections. Test contains all the test files. Organize tests by type, unit, integration, end-to-end. 2. Modularization, building interconnected diginodes. Node.js excels at modularity. Each directory and file in the structure above should represent a distinct module. Let's look at some code examples. Example, src/models/user.js, user model. Example, src/services/user-service.js, user service. Example, src/controllers/user-controller.js, user controller. Example, src/root/user-roots.js, user roots. Explanation asterisk. Asterisk clear boundaries asterisk each module has a distinct responsibility, model, service, controller, root. Asterisk import/export asterisk use require and module.exports, common JS syntax, or import/export, ES modules, with proper configuration, to manage dependencies between modules. Asterisk single responsibility principle asterisk each module should have one and only one reason to change. Asterisk abstraction asterisk services hide the complexities of the data layer from the controllers. Asterisk error handling is implemented at each layer, controller, service, to provide specific feedback to the user and log errors. Asterisk asynchronous operations asterisk the use of async/await makes asynchronous code easier to read and manage. 3. Separation of concerns, SOC diginode specialization. SOC is a core principle of the diginode approach. Asterisk models asterisk represent data structures and interact with the database. They should not contain business logic. Asterisk services asterisk implement the core business logic of the application. They operate on data provided by the models and perform specific actions. They should not be aware of HTTP requests or responses. Asterisk controllers asterisk handle incoming HTTP requests, receive data from the request, call the appropriate service methods, and format the response. They act as the bridge between the HTTP layer and the business logic. Asterisk middleware asterisk handle cross-cutting concerns like authentication, logging, and request validation. They operate on the request and response objects before the request reaches the controller. Asterisk roots asterisk define the API endpoints and map them to controller functions. They are responsible for routing incoming requests to the appropriate handler. Benefits of SOC asterisk. Asterisk improved readability asterisk each module is focused and easier to understand. Asterisk increased maintainability asterisk changes to one module are less likely to affect other modules. Asterisk enhanced testability asterisk modules can be tested in isolation. Asterisk greater reusability asterisk modules can be reused in other parts of the application or in other applications. 4. Loose coupling, independent diginode connections. Loose coupling means minimizing the dependencies between modules. Modules should communicate with each other through well-defined interfaces, rather than relying on internal details. Asterisk dependency injection, instead of a module creating its dependencies internally, the dependencies are passed in as arguments. This makes it easier to swap out dependencies for testing or to use different implementations. While full-blown containers can be complex, you can use simple dependency injection in your services and controllers. Asterisk abstract interfaces asterisk define abstract interfaces that modules can implement. This allows you to switch between different implementations without affecting the calling code. More relevant when using TypeScript. Asterisk event emitters asterisk use the node.js event emitter to decouple modules. Modules can emit events when something happens, and other modules can listen for those events without needing to know the details of the emitting module. 5. Configuration management, diginode network parameters. Proper configuration management is crucial for different environments, development, staging, production. Asterisk environment variables asterisk store sensitive information, API keys, database passwords, in environment variables. Use .env to load these variables from a .env file during development. Asterisk configuration files asterisk use configuration files to store environment-specific settings. You can use different configuration files for different environments. For example, config/development.js, config/staging.js, and config/production.js. Asterisk centralized configuration asterisk create a central configuration module that loads and manages all configuration settings. This makes it easier to access configuration values from anywhere in the application. 6. Error handling and logging, monitoring diginode network health. Robust error handling and logging are essential for debugging and monitoring the application. Asterisk centralized error handling asterisk use middleware to catch unhandled errors and send appropriate responses to the client. Asterisk logging asterisk use a logging library like Winston or Morgan to log important events, errors, and warnings. Asterisk structured logging asterisk use structured logging to make it easier to analyze logs. Structured logs are typically formatted as JSON and contain key value pairs that describe the event. 7. Testing, diginode network validation. Testing is an integral part of the diginode philosophy. Write unit tests, integration tests, and end-to-end tests to ensure the quality and reliability of your code. Asterisk unit tests asterisk test individual modules, example services, in isolation. Use a testing framework like Jest or Mocha and an assertion library like Chai. Asterisk integration tests asterisk test the interaction between different modules, example routes and controllers. Asterisk end-to-end, E2E, tests asterisk test the entire application flow, simulating real user interactions. Use tools like Cypress or Puppeteer. 8. Dependency management, diginode component tracking. Use NPM or Yarn to manage project dependencies. Keep dependencies up to date and use semantic versioning to avoid breaking changes. Asterisk package.json asterisk defines project dependencies. Asterisk semantic versioning asterisk use semantic versioning, semver, to specify the version ranges of your dependencies. This allows you to receive bug fixes and minor updates without breaking your application. Asterisk caret 1.2.3 allows updates up to, but not including, version 2.0.0. Asterisk 1.2.3 allows updates up to, but not including, version 1.3.0. Asterisk 1.2.3 specifies an exact version. Asterisk lock files asterisk use package lock.json, npm, or yarn.lock, yarn, to ensure that all developers and production environments use the exact same versions of dependencies. Always commit these lock files to version control. 9. Documentation, diginode network blueprint. Good documentation is essential for understanding and maintaining the application. Asterisk readme.md asterisk provides an overview of the project, instructions for installation, and other relevant information. Asterisk code comments asterisk write clear and concise comments to explain the purpose of the code and any non-obvious logic. Asterisk API documentation asterisk use tools like Swagger, OpenAPI, to generate API documentation automatically. Asterisk project wiki asterisk create a project wiki to document the architecture, design decisions, and other important information about the application. 10. Code style and linting, diginode network harmony. Consistency is key. Use a code style guide and a linter to enforce consistent code formatting and style. Asterisk code style guide. Asterisk choose a code style guide, example Airbnb JavaScript style guide, Google JavaScript style guide, and follow it consistently. Asterisk linter. Asterisk use a linter like ESLint to automatically check your code for style violations and potential errors. Asterisk prettier. Asterisk use a code formatter like prettier to automatically format your code according to the code style guide. Key takeaways: the diginode advantage. By following these principles, you can build a node.js application that is asterisk maintainable, asterisk easy to understand, modify, and debug, asterisk scalable, asterisk able to grow and adapt as requirements evolve, asterisk testable, asterisk easy to test in isolation and as a whole, asterisk reusable, asterisk modules can be reused in other parts of the application or in other applications, asterisk robust, asterisk handles errors gracefully and provides valuable logging information. The diginode approach isn't a rigid framework but a set of guiding principles. Adapt these recommendations to fit the specific needs of your project. Embrace modularity, separation of concerns, and loose coupling to create a well-structured and maintainable node.js application that can stand the test of time. Remember to continuously refine your code organization as your project evolves.